Gorsaf Llangefni.
Hi, I'm Rodney and I'll be joining Dolgellau Fire Station.
Hiya, Llion dwi a byddai'n ymuno â gorsaf Dan Llanberis.
Hi, my name's Daniel and I'll be joining Holyhead Fire Station.
Hiya, Catherine dwi a fyddai'n ymuno Gorsaf Dan Llanberis.
My name is Ryan and I'll be working in the Llanberis Fire Station.
Dwi wedi mwynhau yn wsos yn Dolgellau a fedrai'm disgwyl mynd adra i dditha'r mab bo fi'n diffordwr tân.
I've always wanted to join the fire service. I've had a great week here in Dolgellau. I would highly recommend everyone to come have a go and join.
Nes i benderfynu ymuno â gwasanaeth Dan dwi'n 38 wan ac yn meddwl os ni'n mynd i dwan, os ni byth yn edo, felly dwi wedi brofi bod o ddim yn rhywun i bynnag sy'n trio.
I'm at the end of my week now at Dolgellau. It's been a tough week, but it's well worth it. I've got 2 sons at home. It shows to them that I can do anything.